a story that is older than the sea, the simple truth about the love she brings to me. Where do I start? With her fist alone, she gave a meaning to this empty world of mine. There'll never be another love, another time. She came into my life and made the living fine. She fills my heart. She fills my heart in various beds of things, with angel songs, with wild imaginings. She fills my soul with so much love that anywhere I go, I'm lonely. With her alone, who could be lonely? I reach for her hand, it's always there. How long does it last? Can all be measured by the hours in a day?